Make the best and easiest chicken and dumplings. Cold months are the perfect timing for hot soup and stew. Next time that you feel cold, try the chicken and dumplings. You most probably have tasted this recipe during your childhood. It's one of the traditional recipes, passed from generation to generation. No wonder why this has its different versions today. Are you looking for the best and easiest version of chicken and dumplings? Try this recipe and see if it will be categorized as the best in terms of your preference. Make the chicken stock. The secret to the tastiest chicken and dumplings is the best chicken stock. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet of Big Dutch oven. Turn the fire on medium-high. Add the hacked up wings, neck, and back of the chicken. Add 1 onion chunks. Sauté the ingredients until the chicken pieces turn pale and onions are softer. Continue cooking for 20 minutes. Bring fire to low and then cover the skillet. Let the chicken cook for 20 minutes more. Meanwhile, prepare the other parts of the chicken, breasts, legs, and thighs, by removing the skin. After 20 minutes, bring the heat to medium and add 6 cups of hot water. Add more chicken parts to the stock. Skinned legs, breasts, and thighs should be added to the stock along with 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 bay leaves. Reduce the heat again to low and continue simmer. Partially cover the skillet and let the chicken cook for 20 minutes again. Make the batter for dumpling. While waiting, prepare the batter for your dumpling. Sift 2 cups cake flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Add some minced herbs like chives, tarragon, and parsley. Add 2 tablespoons melted butter and 3/4 cup milk. Gently mix all the ingredients until they come together. Do not overmix or the dumpling will be too dense. Remove the chicken from the stock and set them aside to let them cool. Cut the chicken meat to 2-inch strips. Do not include the bones. Strain the remaining broth into a large bowl. Discard the strained solids. Skim the chicken fat and then get 5 cups of broth. Reserve the extra broth for future use. Heat 6 tablespoons of chicken fat or butter in a pan under medium-high fire. Whisk in 6 tablespoons of flour and add some thyme. Continue whisking until the flour is golden. Gradually add 2 tablespoons of vermouth or dry sherry while whisking the ingredients. Slowly add the 5 cups chicken stock while still whisking the ingredients. Simmer the mixture for 5 minutes. Add trimmed 3 celery stalks, cut 4 carrots, and 3/4 cup thawed frozen peas. Simmer the vegetables for about 5 minutes and then add the chicken and 1 tablespoon heavy cream. Add ground black pepper and salt to taste. Let it simmer. Drop the dumpling batter into the stew. Get a teaspoonful of dumpling batter and drop it to the stew. Cover the pan until all dumplings are cooked. This takes about 15 minutes. Do not uncover the pan within 15 minutes or else, the dumplings will be heavy. Dumplings need to be steamed so they'll be cooked fluffy and light. Make a nice plating by separating the meat, vegetables, and dumplings. Balance is the key to a deliciously looking chicken and dumplings. Enjoy this stew while still hot.